And I'm turned to the side because I'm liking my side profile. Don't hate. This is my good side. Okay?
Já viu rico namorar pobre?
Good afternoon, my Royal Beauties. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the previous clip that I showed you of my final look, today we're going to be doing, just something kind of fun. Next clip where I'm actually going to be showing you guys a relapse of how I actually did my face. If you want to see how I achieved the look and you really want to see how I beat this face the way that I did in that last clip, stay tuned because I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show you, girl. I'm going to show you. You do anything before you watch this video. Make sure that you support me, guys. Support me because I am here for you guys. So I need you to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that bell below for all of my notifications. Follow your girl on all social medias. Follow me at Royal P Beauty. Everything together, no spaces, no underscores, anything like that. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. In this next clip, I'm actually going to do just a quick relapse of my face and how I actually beat my face. So now that you've actually seen the relapse of how I got this, super quick, super easy, now we're going to get into the eyes. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to get into the transition color. So it's a pretty neutral color. And that's just going to help me warm up the crease. Actually comes off a little bit darker, so it looks lighter in the actual pan itself, but when you actually apply it, it's actually a really pretty color. About even. He's a little more shadow. So now we're gonna go in with a pretty orange shade. This is in the color orange. And we're going to put this into the crease and buff it out as well. I'm just gonna buff that in. Actually really pretty just to do a lid like this and then just throw on a shimmer shadow on top, or you can just put this all over the lid. This is really pretty. This is where a lot of the blending comes in. Blending is so important when you're doing colors when it comes to your eyelids. So we're going to take this and then we're just going to do a back and forth sweeping motion in the lid, or in the crease, I'm sorry. And then we're just going to keep continuing to go back and forth until it's blended out, until it's as light or as dark as you want the purple to show in your lid. next you go back in with the brush that I used for the orange and the brown, and we're just gonna kind of blend those all together just to make sure well blended. This one's actually a little bit darker. And you want to make sure that your eyelids always match. You don't want one looking lighter or, you know, more detailed than the other. So you try to perfect your lids as much as possible. It's like a little chocolate shade, smaller than this brush. I think we did with the purple, we're going to do with the chocolate brown. And this is in the color Coffee Bean. And we're going to take it and go deeper into the crease. And this is just to, you know, just to give it a little more depth, a little bit more richness to the crease. I already see the difference in the lids. You're pretty much using your eyelid as your guide to kind of going back and forth of where you're putting the brown. As you can see, like my lid is right here, so I'm just literally pressing it on my lid and just going back and forth, just like that. And now I'm gonna go back in with the orange and do the same thing I just did with the purple. Where I put it at. So if the creases are even in how you like them, we're on to the lids. It's called the Ultra Pearl Mania. I don't know if that's the actual name of this color or it, but it looks like this in the shimmer. From NYX and pop that right onto the concealer. And then take that one I used for the orange. Okay, now I'm going in with liner, and I like to use the L'Oreal Jumbo Liner. So we're going to go in with all the colors with those same brushes. Use this brush, and we're going to go to that corner and just bring it in, and then we're just going to buff this up under the eye. Purple, and I'm gonna smoke that out and right up under that orange, just like that. And we're gonna kind of overlap that purple a little bit, that purple and orange. I kind of want like a sharp line. These are lashes that I used in my previous video, which I need to go watch. Okay, like now, well not now, but after this video, you have it, because I stacked these in the other tutorial. Okay, y'all, so lashes, yes, have you gone off camera? Y'all, let me go get cute real quick. Let me do a little show, some of this hair edge is already on quick. Let me do a little something for y'all real quick. Let me put on a quick show. A quick show. Okay, y'all, so yes, y'all. And I'm turned to the side because I'm like on my side profile. Don't hate. This is my good side, okay? So look, I'm bringing it to you from this side, okay? Yes, though. I'm loving this, y'all. I'm loving it. Let me give it a look real quick, cause I feel like it need a look. Sign. Okay. Okay. Yes. Might have to go somewhere today. Yes. Oh, bird.
Damn.
Okay, it's a look. Look, I'm just all wins today. Ooh. Y'all would not believe our jacket from freaking the thrift store, y'all. No BS. Like, I love it. Like, I love it. I love this. Y'all cannot go wrong with this look. It's so simple, but thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel today to watch me do this little Cleopatra kind of vibe. I'm feeling it. Let me know what it is that you all like and didn't like about this video. Please make sure that you support me, guys. Like, I need you guys' support. I love you guys. I need you guys to love me back. And I need you guys to like, subscribe, hit that bell below. Follow me on all social medias again, which is Royal Beauty, Facebook Royal Felice. Like, and be with your girl. Like, support. Come join the fam, because I'm telling y'all, once I get lit, once I get popping, like, y'all ain't gonna have me to yourself like this. So take advantage. Like, come. But make sure you all stay tuned for more to come. Let me know what it is that you want to see more of, and I promise you I will make the content for you guys. Thank you guys so much again. I love you guys. Mwah.